Welcome. In this video, I will show you 3 methods you can use to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So the first and the original one is short pressing the power button and volume down button at the same time, which will immediately take a screenshot on your phone. Alternatively, you can also enable the gesture screenshot by going to Settings, then in Settings navigate to Advanced Features, and in Advanced Features select Motions and Gestures and switch to Toggle on next to Palm Swipe to capture. Now, how to use the palm swipe? Basically, all you have to do is move the edge of your palm from one side of your phone to another one, and this will also take a screenshot. Or additionally, you can use your voice assistant, so Bixby, to take a screenshot for you. To do that, just say, "Hey Bixby, take screenshot." "Hey Bixby, take screenshot." Additionally, you can use the edit tools at the bottom of your screen to edit your screenshot quickly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.